Hi everyone, I'm Lena and let's unbox my IPSY 2026 August original and extra. In June IPSY, I mentioned that I really wish I got a box, and this time, for some reason, it is a box. I never look at the sneak peek. I didn't get to choose the products yet, so it feels like a surprise, and when it's also in a box, it feels more special. Also, I bought a new microphone, so hopefully you can hear me better this time. Let's start with the original. It's a bag in the bag. I got this Pro Collagen Hydrating Cleansing Balm. Smells something like herbs or pine tree or even honey, something in between. Got it on my nail. I've never seen anything that cleans in a jar like this. Let's get to the small bag. Oh, I like this one. I really didn't like the bags from June IPSY, but this one, I saw this in my email and it's super cute. Makeup sponge. Real perfection. I like that it's got a case. It's not gonna get dirty. I'm, by the way, wearing Melting Blush from June IPSY. I really fell in love with this, and also the lip pencil. I didn't understand them at first, but then I just fell in love with these two. They are amazing. What is in this cute little bag? I so much like this design and the color. Sneak peeks again. Putting this away. Retinol Green Tea PDRN Firming Serum by INNISFREE. It's yellow. It doesn't smell at all. Well, retinol, something that is really good for the wrinkles. This time I'm surprised that it's blue and yellow. Remember in June IPSY everything was pink and purple, and it's yellow again. I guess they play with the colors like this. Every month is a different color. This is a Vanilla Blossom by Kenzie. What is this? Perfume. It's a perfume. That is very cute looking perfume. I already have a lot of perfume on my wrists, and it was almost open. It is actually nice. It's hard to tell what it smelled like. It's a really strong alcohol smell. It is a lot of vanilla. It is a very vanilla smell. That's all I can say about this. The Matcha Foam Cleanse. This one actually doesn't smell like anything. I'm not sure what this is. Cream, eyeshadow. Oh, okay. I'm very skeptical for makeup things. I love these products from June IPSY. I'm actually doing a little bit of makeup now, but I'm not very used to this. So hopefully I get a lot of skincare in this IPSY. I want to remind you that probably in September, after all these reviews, I am going to post videos with detailed review on every product. I love digging into the ingredients of each product and selecting the best for my skincare. I also showcase cosmetics, how they look, their pros and cons. So if you want to know which products are worth buying, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you don't miss the video. Let's get to extra unboxing. This is a masterpiece, I swear. It feels like a present. I love this so much. Sneak peek. a bag. This time they are better quality, I think, because June IPSY bags were really not a very good quality. A lot of paper. Oh my god. 12 multi-finish eyeshadows. Actually, I now can smell the perfume. The first impression wasn't very good, but now actually it is not bad. Oh wow, you can see my view now. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh my god. I just don't know what to do with this. But it is awesome. Hopefully I learn how to do makeup. I'm sure I can do something really cool with this. It's pretty. There is 4 more products, and this one is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow. Again, in my June IPSY I had something like this. I think all these things that are for skin glow, they are for darker skin. It does smell like a watermelon. Love the smell. Well, I don't think if there's any difference. Maybe only on the sun. The smell is amazing. It's such a watermelon. I'm so happy there is no mascara. I don't use mascara. I saw this on a sneak peek on my email. Maybe it's from July. I still didn't open July yet. Lucky Chick Brow Pencil. Barely Blonde. Actually, I love this. I'm not sure if it's going to match my color, but if it does, I like this one. And a brush. Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. I have a Coco Chanel perfume over here, vanilla perfume over there, watermelon over here, and Signature Citrus. I guess it's gonna smell like a lemon or an orange. It smells like mandarins or tangerines. It is a little too sweet also. I don't know what happened to me. A few days ago I got Scentbird smell over there, the blue one, and it smells very sweet, but I liked it. Vanilla smell, also sweet, I liked it. This one is also sweet, I liked it. I usually don't like sweet smells, maybe they all are just so good. And the last one, oh, that is cool. I'm sure this is a really good thing. OLAPLEX, I think it's a good brand. And this is something that I need for my hair because I have dry ends, and if it's something like leave-in, it should help to make them more smooth when I brush them. I'm not sure, but I bet it works like that. This is it. I don't like that they put this ugly paper in here because like this I think it looks better. Anyways, I love these August IPSY. It is amazing. And I can't wait to try every product. I usually take a picture of ingredients, send it to GPT, and it tells me if it's good or bad, for what type of hair or for what type of skin this product is great. So I love digging into the ingredients and find the better product. That's why I've subscribed to IPSY, to find something better than what I already have. So don't forget to subscribe if you are also curious what is worth buying. And see you in another video. I still need to unbox my July and then September, and probably after that I'm going to review all of these products. I still need a little bit of time to try it all on me so I know the product better and I can share with you. Because some of the products I liked at first, but then I tried them before my foundation or like before going to bed, and some of them disappoint me, some of them opposite, so I really can't wait to share all of that with you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'm really curious, what did you get in your August IPSY? And see you in the next video.